Make a great choice today with the 2024 Sportage. With its sleek and stylish exterior and its roomy, feature-laden interior, the Sportage both looks good and performs well on the road. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, daytime running lights, integrated turn signal mirrors, LED headlights, four-wheel disc brakes, privacy glass. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.